What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world, and thanks a million for clicking on the video. On today's episode we're just going to be covering Stradman, Hoovies Garage, DDE and a few others as well. If you're new to the channel, guys, please do check out my other videos. We are the car discussion channel here on YouTube, just discuss about what's really kind of going on. I'm not news or nothing like that, but yeah, that's basically what we're going to be covering today. And yeah, guys, anybody wants to comment below, please do. Tomorrow is Comment Sunday. I bring up your comments every Sunday. It's just to give you guys a platform to voice your opinions of what's going on in the car community as well. And yeah, if any ever want to come on for a podcast, to have a chat, hit me up. My Instagram is always up for DMs. And if you want to tag me and stuff, guys, please do send me stuff on Instagram or tag me in videos. I'll check it out, I might cover it as well. Yeah, so we're just going to jump into today's video. We're going to kick it off with Stradman. So basically Stradman has decided the colour on his wide arch Aventador, his Liberty Walk wide arch Aventador. And yeah, he's gone for, I can't remember the name of it exactly. It's a very, very nice pink. He said there's only 2 other cars in the world that have a spray, the Centenario and another car, I can't remember which one it was. I think it was another Aventador. But yeah, he's going with that colour, and he's going with a white stripe and white wheels. So my question to you guys is, what do you think of his colour choice for the Aventador? I kind of had a small feeling he was going to go pink. I really did, and because he did mention it. And I know he wants to kind of change up his colours on his cars. So I do like pink, don't get me wrong, I do like it, but I'm not a big lover of the white and pink combo. It's just not for me. I think it's a bit too girly. I mean, if you changed it with a gloss black or carbon, I'd probably like it a bit better. That's just me, guys. That's just the way I is. Now, it could get me wrong. It could look unbelievable when it comes out. You know, I still, yeah, it's just in my head, the 2 colour combinations are a bit like a girly colour of the 2 combos. But I want to hear your thoughts and opinions below, what you think. But you know the car is going to come out unbelievable when it's finished. So I'm very interested to see. It looks like an amazing, amazing pink. It has like broken up kind of shards of glass in it to give that glitter effect or stuff like that. But yeah, very interesting. Can't wait to see it come out, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Next up is going to be DDE. They literally just dropped the video a while ago. Daemon has straight piped his Porsche GTC or CGT, sorry, and it sounds fucking amazing. I mean, like, it just, wow. I mean, it's up there with some of the best sounding cars out there, and yeah, it's just unbelievable. So here is a quick clip for you guys.
That's good. That sounds amazing. It's idling. That's an idle. Holy! Do it again. Holy crap.
And there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. I think it sounds fucking amazing. CGTs always sound great. They're up there with some of the best sounding cars in the world. And like he even said, when he got the exhaust system on the back of it, it was so heavy compared to like just the X-pipe for the straight through exhaust system. And my god, like, you can tell how loud it was. I can't wait to see him do more videos of that car doing rips, because it just sounds ridiculous as well. So well done to Daemon for getting the straight pipes. And we just kind of like go, if you had, you know, if you could afford a CGT, you can obviously afford to straight pipe it, and it's definitely a mod to go down the route of, I suppose, as soon as you get one. So yeah, unbelievable. Well done to Daemon. And speaking of great sounding cars, next up is going to be Ideal Media. So Ideal Media have come out with their 10 of the best sounding cars in the world, and it was a very, very good list, and I agreed with a lot of it. If you haven't checked it out, guys, link in the description below. It is pretty sick, the list that's there. 1 or 2 I don't agree on, because I'm not really a Mustang guy, but out of that list, or please do comment below what you think is the best sounding car in the world. I'd be interested to see who agrees with who in the comments below. For me personally, My two that kind of draw on the top level would be the LFA and the Mercy would be mine. Now the Zonda would be very, very close as well, but for me, my top two would be the Mercy and the LFA. LFA is just, wow, it has to be up there, or if not, the best sounding V10 out there. It's ridiculous, but the list they made is really, really good. And it'd be hard. I know everybody just has their own sound that they really love. I love really high-pitched, raspy sounds. That's why I don't think I can get into the whole American Muscle kind of Mustangs and stuff like that, because they're more of a deep, grumbly sound. But I'm more into that V10, the LFA, and the Mercy. Oh my god! Oh, if I ever get the lotto, guys, swear to God, they'd be definitely in my garage if I could afford them. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys. Definitely, I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. Next up is going to be Hoovies Garage. So he's come out with his latest video about trying to decide on what Lamborghini he should sell. So he has the Countach, he has the Murcielago, and the other one he has is the Diablo. So it was a good video. I actually had to laugh at some of the comments he was saying with Wizard about condom and protection and all that kind of stuff. That was funny. So looks like his steering rack oil, the cap or whatever it was, busted out. Fucking oil went everywhere, all underneath the Diablo. He got screwed over for $1,200 by SSB down in Florida to get the drive shaft fixed for the oil, and they didn't do it. But yeah, he came out basically saying what one should he get rid of. If it was me personally, it would be the Countach for me. And I know the Countach is the most expensive car out of the three of them there. I'm just not a lover of Countaches, I'm not gonna lie. I just don't like the shape of them. I know they're an 80s iconic supercar, but they're just not for me. I love the Murcielago and I love the Diablo, even though I prefer the V2 Diablos, the 99 shape ones, but the V1s are gorgeous as well. So for me, it would be the Countach. But I want to know from you guys in the comments below, which one, if you're in his shoes, which one would you sell? Would it be the Countach, the Murcielago, or the Diablo? Again, guys, comment below, because that would be a pretty interesting one to see what people say about as well. And this up is going to be, is this going to be the last one? Oh yeah, it is. It's already the last one, guys. The last one is going to be Dip Your Car. They have basically come out with another obviously episode of them spraying the A7. And this one basically was the ZGF Hypershift over a white base. And it came out really nice. I mean, really, really nice. For me, I've really kind of loved the balloon white look. I don't think this is, I can't, looking at it, I couldn't figure out, is the base kind of like a satin or matte with the pearl over it? And the pearl looks lovely over it. I really like it. I am looking into getting wrap from Tech Wrap. I really want to wrap a car, but with my golf outside, I would love to practice on that. But I don't know if I should do it with me trying to save for the project car for the channel. I don't know if it'd be worth doing it. So I'm trying to figure out, because it's only like $285 a wrap, and I think it's like $50 to get it, or $30 to get it shipped to Ireland. And I really want to get into wrapping. So I'm still trying to debate. I would love to do a balloon white wrap on my Golf just to see how I do and try and learn. But I really love the colour that they've done here with the pearl. And balloon white with a pearl going through would be gorgeous. I would be definitely a colour I consider for a project car. Let me know what you think of the colour below, guys. Would it be a colour you'd like me to see? Would you like me to see do on a project car as well? So yeah, interesting, guys. I'll definitely check out Dip Your Car as well if you're into that kind of stuff. And if you have dipped the car before, if you've used their products, please let me know. I don't even think we can get it shipped over here in Ireland. I don't think we can. I was trying to decide, should I try and learn how to dip or should I try to wrap a car? And I think I'd mess up doing dipping compared to wrapping, so I might go down the wrapping route instead to try and learn instead. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Hopefully it wasn't too long for you and you enjoyed it. Again, if you're new, please do smash the subscribe button. And you guys have been regular in commenting and smashing the like button. Again, I can't thank you enough. You've been such fucking legends, and hopefully we can get bigger and just continue to grow, and you know, I will promise to try and get more content out in vlogs, and I will keep you updated next week on the status of saving for a project car as well. So guys, tomorrow's coming Sunday. Yeah, so keep it near, or keep a watch out for that, and stay tuned. So until then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.